Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video, 72, I believe. A lot has happened here in this video. I just did a bunch of things. So first off, we got our daily earnings for today. It's more on the lower side here, 0.3%. So I made 43.67 today. I did a couple things here, guys. I did a withdrawal and a deposit. As you see, I deposited $394 back into the system, and then the rest of the money I withdrew, which was $525, and all that stuff happened just a few minutes ago here, guys. If I go underneath the finance section, you will see here I have a withdrawal tab. Yeah, I basically just took the amount, which was $525, entered in my SWCT wallet address here, and then I hit withdrawal. And if I go down here, guys, you could see the withdrawal request right here, $525, got sent to the wallet here, which is my S wallet. So in about, it takes about 12 to 15 hours or so in the morning. It's evening time right now, so in the morning it should show up here. And then once it's here, guys, I'll convert it to Bitcoin, and then I'll send it out to my ShakePay account, which I can transfer to my checking account, and I'll have access to the funds. And also did a reinvestment of some of the portion of the money, which here is over here, guys. If I go down to here, you'll see I have my big amount, and then this is what I reinvested, $394. So as you can see, guys, the days past has been reset, so that's going to run for another 2 more weeks. I'll do another withdrawal reinvestment, continue to enjoy the money, build up my account, and keep things moving, guys. As you see, it's been growing. My all-time earnings is right here now, $13,687. That's the total amount of money I've made in the system since I started. So yeah, looking pretty good, guys. Things are moving right along. Today's a Friday, so that's why I did all this on the Friday. So I'm just going to go up here, click on the notification bell, click at the bottom. It says all is red. There we go. So the notification went away. As you see, that's been all reset. So yeah, I got my the money back in the system, guys. I'm at 19. Holy smokes, I'm really high here. So I'm at pretty much 19,197 or 19,200 pretty much. And yeah, I'm going to be earning money on the forex investment for that amount, and just going to keep things moving, guys. So yeah, if you have any further questions, just shoot me an email. My email is in the description down below, and yeah, I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. If you're just stumbling upon the S Group video for the first time, this company allows you to invest your money into their system, into their network, which this is the forex portion of the system here, and the system automatically does forex trading for you guys, so you don't have to worry about doing the trades yourself. It's all done automatically on autopilot, and you receive earnings 8 p.m. Central Time, Monday through Friday, because that's when the trades actually occur and go through. And yeah, I've been with the system for, yeah, it'll be 2 years next month in October, and because it's September right now. And yeah, I've made money every single day, Monday to Friday, on the forex market. So guys, if you're looking to get into this system, try it out. A lot of people start at the first couple levels here, put in whatever amount they can afford, let that run for a week or two, see how it works for you. And yeah, you guys will love it for sure. You'll see the money just pour in over time, and then most people just start adding more money as the days and weeks pass by. So, well, of course, guys, whatever you can contribute, it's definitely good to put in as much as you can. It's better than having your money just sitting in the bank, not making any money on your money. So, getting close to the end of the 5-minute daily review video. Again, guys, don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and be informed of all my updates and all the new things that are coming through with S Group. And don't forget to click on the sign up link down below in the description. That way you can sign up and join my team. All right, thanks guys for watching this video, and see you guys in the next one.